Hello students, in previous video lectures we have seen the theoretical part of vectors. Today we are going to solve exercise regarding it. Question number 1, the vector A bar is directed due north and magnitude of A bar is equal to 24. The vector B bar is directed due west and magnitude of B bar is equal to 7. Find magnitude of A bar plus B bar. In this example given that magnitude of A bar is equal to 24 and magnitude of B bar is 7, and also given that the vector A bar is directed due to north and the vector B bar is directed due west. Solution. First consider, let AB bar is equal to A bar and BC bar is equal to B bar. For in this information draw the figure. The vector A bar is directed due north, that is this is the vector A bar due to north, and the vector B bar is directed due west, that is the vector B bar, and then join the points, we get a triangle ABC and find out the magnitude of A bar plus B bar. Here we get the triangle ABC, perpendicular distance, that is the angle ABC is 90 degree. This is the A bar plus B bar. By triangle law, AC is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. Then AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar. Given that magnitude of A bar equal to 24, which is equal to, but magnitude of A bar is AB bar, which is equal to, magnitude of AB bar is equal to length of AB. By definition of magnitude of AB bar is equal to length of AB. Also given that the magnitude of B bar is 7, magnitude of B bar equal to 7 and magnitude of B bar is considered as BC bar equal to length of BC. Then here we get the triangle ABC and the angle, therefore the angle ABC is 90 degree. Angle ABC is 90 degree, therefore by Pythagoras theorem length of AC square is equal to length of AB square plus length of BC square. Length of AB is 24 square plus length of BC is 7 square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. Addition of these two, 9 plus 6 15, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 2, remaining 1, 5 plus 1 6, that is length of AC square is equal to 625. Then therefore taking square root on both sides we get length of AC is equal to 25, but length of AC is equal to magnitude of AC bar is equal to 25, therefore mod of AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar, which is also equal to A bar plus B bar. Here A bar plus B bar is equal to 25, and which is the required answer. Next example, if A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon, show that AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 6 AO bar, where O is the center of the hexagon. काय दिलेलं आहे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये सी in example given that A B C D E F is a regular hexagon and show that this term, that is first consider the LHS and show LHS equal to RHS, we get the result. But first draw the regular hexagon. Again we know that in regular hexagon all sides of the hexagon are always equal. Solution: given that A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon, then this is the hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon and O is the center of the hexagon. Join AE, AC, AB bar is same for AD bar. AF bar is same for CD bar. Okay, here write down. Therefore, AB bar is equal to ED bar, the sides AB bar is equal to ED bar and the AF bar is equal to CD bar. By triangle law, of addition of vectors, we get first find out the AF bar and AC bar, because in show that first find out the term AC bar plus AF bar. AC bar plus AF bar is equal to AC bar as it is, but here AF bar is same for CD bar. It is AC bar plus CD bar. See the triangle ACD. AC bar plus CD bar is equal to AD bar. By triangle law, AC bar plus CD bar is equal to AD bar. Next, second, AB bar plus AE bar is equal to, शो दॅट मधले आपण कोणती टर्म फाइंड आउट करतोय तर AB बार प्लस AE बार. AB बार प्लस AF बार. AB बार इज इक्वल टू ED बार प्लस AE बार. ED बार plus AE bar, that is see the triangle AED. AE bar plus ED bar is equal to AD bar by triangle law of addition, which is equal to AD bar. Then consider the LHS. Consider is equal to AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar. Consider the LHS. After that, here first find out the term AC bar plus AF bar and AB bar plus AE bar. That is, which term is AB bar and AE bar is find out. AC bar plus AF bar is found. AD bar as it is. That is, first write down AD bar plus AB bar plus AE bar, then AC bar plus AF bar, AC bar plus AF bar. AD bar plus AB bar plus AE bar is equal to AD bar plus AC bar plus AF bar is equal to AD bar. That is addition of these three terms, AD bar plus AD bar plus AD bar, that is 1, 2 and 3, that is 3 AD bar. But AD bar is equal to O is the center of the hexagon, that is O is midpoint of AD, that is AD can be written as 2 times AO bar, because O is midpoint of AD bar. Therefore, 3 into 2, 6 AO bar, and which is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. The example is proved. Next question, question number 3. Find the distance from the point 4, minus 2, 6 to each of the following. First, that is A, the XY plane, B, the YZ plane, C, the XZ plane, and D is the X axis. In this example, given that the point 4, minus 2, 6. First, write down the solution. Consider the point, this point is said to be A, is equal to 4, minus 2, 6. First, A, the distance of A from the XY plane, is equal to this part. See in video lecture, the distance of A from the XY plane is mod Z, that is modulus of Z, equal to modulus of Z is equal to, here compare, A is equal to XYZ, then X is equal to 4, Y is equal to minus 2 and Z is equal to 6. Mod Z is equal to mod 6, and which is equal to plus 6. Then B, the distance of A from the YZ plane, the distance of the point A from the YZ plane is equal to mod X equal to mod of x is equal to 4, this mod 4 is equal to only 4. Then C, the distance of A from the distance of point A from the xz plane, from the xz plane is equal to mod y, which is equal to mod of y is -2, modulus of -2 is +2. Okay. Then fourth, that is D, the distance of point A from the x axis is equal to under root y square plus z square, which is equal to root of y is equal to -2 square plus z is equal to 6 square, which is also equal to -2 square is +4 plus 6 square is 36. 36 plus 4 is equal to root 40, and which is equal to root 40 can be written as 4 into 10, which is equal to 2 root 10. This is the required answer.